Good morning, children. We have already completed first semester portion. Now we will start with the second semester portion for senior KG students. Open your new Sparkle semester series, senior KG semester 2 book. We have completed alphabet, both the letters, capital and small letters. Yes or no? Capital and small letters. Capital A, small a. Capital B, small b. Yes or no? Yes. Now you say with me A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, O, P, Q, R, S, T, U, V, W, X, Y, Z. Okay, capital and small letters. When you write capital A, next to that only you write capital B. Then after A, capital A, side of that write small a. When you write capital B, you write small b. Capital C, small c. Have you understood? In this way, you write A to Z, capital and small letters. Capital and small letters. So, now page number 8, all about me. All about me. See here. Here you have to stick your photo. Your photo. Your means you. You should stick your photo here. Stick your photographic here. तुम्हारा खुद का फोटो यहाँ पे लगाना है. Then my name is, you write here your name. Mustafa, Pratik. If you are a boy, write your name. If you are a girl, write Chahat, Vedu. In this way, you just go on writing your name. Then, the name of my school is Annapurneshwari English Medium School, Pattankudi. I am in class senior KG. I am in class senior KG. This way. Senior KG, section A. Then my teacher's name is Nita Teacher. My teacher's name is Nita Teacher. Here MR is given, MRS is given. Yes or no? So here MR you cancel, MRS write. Mrs. My teacher's name is Mrs. Nita Teacher. I am a lady teacher, no? So MRS, Mrs. And if he is a sir, MR. If he is a sir, you write MR. My teacher's name is Mr. you write. Then my father's name is father name. You write your father name. My mother's name is Mrs. Sunita, Anita, whatever your mother's name is, Sarita, you write here. Then my address is, you write your address. My address is, then my telephone number. You write here your telephone number. All about me is page number 8. Now we will come to page number 9. A, and the. A, and the. So here now I will explain you about A and the. A and the. A and the. So A means what? A is used before a word beginning with a consonant sound. It is used with the word which gives the voice of consonant. Which gives the voice of consonant. That is, for example, a girl, a boy, a horse, a useful book. A useful book. So, what is a definition of A? A is a consonant. A is a consonant. It is used before a word beginning with the consonant sound. Okay, as I have told you in the previous class. A, E, I, O, U. Now an. A is a consonant. And where we should use, children? A, E, I, O, U. You remember this much only. More putting burden on you is not good. A is a consonant. A is a consonant. A is a word begins with the consonant sound. It is used with the word which gives the voice of consonant. For example, a girl, a boy, a horse, a useful book. A useful book. Okay. Now an. An. An is used before a word beginning with the vowel sound. An ox, an egg, an ant, an hour, an ox. For example, so an orange with A, E, I, O, U vowel sound I have told an. Yes or no? Then an hour. Hour we won't say. An hour, an hour, A is there. So we pronounce here as an hour. Because hour we won't say. An hour. Yes or no? We have to pronounce. Then an axe, an orange, an ant. In this way, A is used before a word beginning with the vowel sound. That is A, E, I, O, U. Okay, and the. These are A, and the are the articles. A, and the are the articles. Now A is consonant. As I have told you, and A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U before a word beginning with vowel sound. A, E, I, O, U. There you have to write an egg, an orange, an hour, an ox in this way. And A where you have to use a girl, a boy, a box. कंसोनेंट वर्ड के पहले तुम्हें ए लगाना है और एन तुम्हें कहाँ लगाना है? जहाँ पे तुम्हारा ए, ई, आई, ओ, यू आता है. एंड द इज अ डेफिनेट आर्टिकल. हाँ, पक्का पता है तुम्हें कि यहाँ पे उसको ये मैंने इसको, हाँ यहाँ पे ये ऐसा द आता ही है. द इज यूज्ड व्हेन अ सिंगुलर नाउन इज यूज्ड टू रिप्रेजेंट अ क्लास or group of animals. The fox is a clever animal. It is used with the names of rivers, seas, ocean, groups of islands and mountains range. The Atlantic, the Himalayas. हाँ, the sun. हमें definite पक्का है पता. That is the sun, the moon. हमें पक्का पता है ना? That is what we have to say. That is the द इज यूज्ड व्हेन अ सिंगुलर नेम इज यूज्ड टू, मैंने पक्का पता है हमें उसके बारे में. यू जस्ट रिमेंबर ए तुम्हें कंसोनेंट में लगाना है, ए. एन तुम्हें ए ई आई ओ यू में लगाना है, वॉवल्स में लगाना है. एंड द व्हाट यू हैव टू डू, द यू हैव टू use that is definite articles. The is a definite articles. Okay, that is the sun, the moon, the fox is a clever animal, and then the Atlantic, the Himalayas. You just remember this much is. Now while reading I will tell you where the comes, where a and where an you have to use, and you have to use. Okay, then a and the, a and the, a comma is there, and the. a तुम्हें कहाँ पे लगाना है, एन कहाँ पे लगाना है, द कहाँ पे लगाना है, मैं तुम्हें बताती हूँ. See here, choose the correct phrase and write it below the picture. Choose the correct phrase. You have to write. Now, see here. This is jar, sun, bee, B-E-E, honey bee, not bee, B-E-E, bee, egg, pen, ant, moon, okay, box, and this is ox. तो तुम्हें अभी यहाँ पे कंसोनेंट कहाँ लगाना है, हमें इसको देखने की भी ज़रूरत नहीं है. विद द हेल्प ऑफ द पिक्चर ऑल्सो कैन यू राइट, नो कैन यू राइट, यू कैन सी द पिक्चर ऑल्सो, नो डाउट. हियर रिटर्न फ्रेज and write it below the picture. Below the picture we have to write. Yes, what is this? Jar. Now write here, a jar, a jar. Why I have written here a jar? Anybody in the class will tell me a jar, why I have written here a jar? Because this is a consonant j. j के आगे हमने a लगाया है, जे के आगे हमने ए लगाया है. अभी देखो डेफिनेट पक्का पता है हमें, दिस इज द सन, सो वी हैव टू राइट हियर द. डेफिनेट पक्का पता है, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दैट इज द, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दैट इज द सन. हाँ ये सन है हमें पक्का, डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दिस इज द. एंड दिस इज, सी हियर आई विल राइट हियर only the B I'll write, B-E-E-B, B-E-E-B. Now what will you write here? A, write here A, B, because this is a consonant. This is a consonant. This is the article the, and this is A. This is also consonant. Can you see, no? Yes. Now this is, yes. What is this? Write here egg, E double G, egg. Right here, egg. E is what? Vowels. Before vowels, what we have to write here? An. Yes, an egg. Now here write. Right here, P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. That is a pen. Now what is this? An ant. An ant. See here. An ant. A is a vowel. A is a vowel. A, E, I, O, U. An I have written. And this is a consonant. This is a consonant. P. P is a consonant. So I have written here A. Again here A, E. E, it is a vowels. So an it has given here. An egg. Now see here. This is moon. Moon. पक्का हमें पता है ये मून ही है ना. सो दिस इज द डेफिनेट आर्टिकल दैट इज द. व्हाट विल यू राइट हियर? द मून, M-O-O-N, moon, M-O-O-N, moon. Have you got it? See here, the moon. Okay, write the spelling of box. B-O-X, box. B, here this is a consonant, so it is A. Yes. Now this is the ox. A-L-N-O-X, ox. O-X, ox. In this way you have to write. You have to write. Now see here. A jar, a jar, a jar. Then this is the sun, the sun. A B, a B. An egg, an egg. A pen, an ant. The moon, the moon. A box, an ox, an ox. A jar, a jar, a jar. The sun, the sun, the sun. A B, a B, a B. An egg, an egg, an egg. A pen, a pen. An ant, an ant. The moon, the moon. A box, a box, a box. An ox, an ox, an ox. In this way only you should go on reading. Then what you must say? A jar. Only a jar. Don't write like that. You read and write A, J-A-R, jar. A, J-A-R, jar. The, T-H-E, the. If you read no, you will be baharted. T-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. T-H-E, the. S-U-N, sun. A, B-E-E-B. 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 A-N, an. A-N, an. E-double-G, egg. E-double-G, egg. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. A-N, an. A-N-T, ant. A-N, an. A-N-T, ant. T-H-E, the. M-O-O-N, moon. T-H-E, the. M-O-O-N, moon. A-B-O-X, box. A-B-O-X, box. A-N, an. O-X, ox. O-X, ox. Now what you should do? This jar, J-R, jar. S-U-N, sun. B-E-E-B. E-double-G, egg. P-E-N, pen. A-N-T, ant. M-O-O-N, moon. B-O-X, box. O-X, ox. These all words first you have to read and write for 5 times. And choose the correct phrase and write it below the picture is there. See, these are the words given. These are the words given. Phrase. Correct phrase and write it below the picture. And here we have to write. Below the picture means this is the picture. And here you have to write the words. You have to read and write. You have to read and write. Okay. Now you take your 4-line book. This is your notebook. 4-line notebook. And in that 4-line notebook, you write here A jar. J-A-R. Jar. A jar. Then you write here the T-H-E. The S-U-N. Sun. Then see here. A jar. The sun. A B. B-double-E. This way. You have to read and write. And see here. What you will write? An A-N. An egg. E-double-G. Then again A pen. P-E-N, pen. And A-N, and ant. A-N-T, ant. Now, last one, what is it? Seer. Last one is the moon. The T-H-E, the moon. M-O-O-N, moon. A box, B-O-X, box. An A-N, an ox. See which line I am writing. Can you see? No? See here. An ox here. Again, when you complete 1, 2, 3, no? Again, downside, your page is big one, like me. Yes or no? Again, downside, what you do? Again, you write the same thing. Copy down the same thing. A jar, the sun, a bee, an egg, a pen, an ant, the moon, a box, an ox. And before you write this, what you do? In your 4-line book, see here, this is your book now. And write here, the spelling only write first. J-A-R, jar. J-A-R, jar. S-U-N, sun. S-U-N, J-A-R, jar. S-U-N, sun. B-E-E-B. Then E-G-G, egg. Egg. P-E-N, pen. P-E-N, pen. A-N-T, ant. This you write and draw a line, straight line. This one page you have to write. I want you the spelling to be by hearted. The spelling to be by hearted. And the second page you write M-O-O-N, moon. B-O-X, box. O-X, ox. So, there are some words. Jar, sun, bee. Jar, sun, bee. Egg, pen. Egg, pen. A-N-T, ant. Moon, box, ox. This is your 4-line book. You have to draw a line. Jar, sun, bee, egg, pen. You can write, and ant you can take down next page also. And ant, moon, box, ox you write in the second page. Have you understood? So the homework will be, you complete your homework I am giving you. I am asking you the homework, that is, write here, stick your photo over here. Write your name, your school name, your class name, your division, then teacher's name. I have given my name. My name is Nita teacher. You write your father's name, mother's name, your address and your mobile number. And after that, completing this one, you write the spelling of jar, sun, bee, egg, pen, ant, moon, box, ox. After writing that, then what you do? A jar, the sun, a bee, an egg, a pen, an ant, the moon, a box, an ox. You have to write this. This you have to write for 2 pages. These 2 pages, and the spelling of jar, sun, bee, this 2 pages. You have to learn by heart. Where you have to write A, where you will write, children? When the consonant comes. Before the word consonant, first word, J-A-R, jar, no, before that you have to write A. And which is definite? The article the sun, the moon. द डेफिनेट तुम्हें पक्का पता है, वहाँ पे तुम्हें द लगाना है. और ए कंसोनेंट के पहले ए, और जो ए ई आई ओ यू में आता है उसको तुम्हें एन एग, एन एंट, ए ई आई ओ यू, ए ई, देन एन ओ, एन ऑक्स. हैव यू गॉट इट? अंडरस्टूड? नो? Okay, children. So this is the homework for you. If you have, I think you have no any problem now. So thank you, children. We will meet in the next video.